Hi guys, welcome back to Ferris Tutorials. In today's video, we're looking at CSEC Food, Nutrition and Health past paper questions for the exam year 2024. Are you ready? Let's go! Question 6. Now let's jump right into the general objectives. Now, on completion of this section, you should be able to demonstrate an appreciation of the meaning of responsible consumerism in the purchasing of foods, and also demonstrate knowledge of various types and forms of food items used in food preparation. Now, what I have noticed, guys, I have noticed that question 6 is from sections 6 and 7 of your syllabus. All right, now let us look at the question. Part A said 3 rules of personal hygiene and 3 rules of kitchen hygiene, 6 marks. Part B, Dave has 20 minutes to prepare a Swiss roll for his class. Outline 3 reasons why whisking is the most suitable method for Dave to use, and that is worth 6 marks. Next part, explain 2 ways in which Caribbean has been impacted by world cuisines, and that part is worth 4 marks. All right, guys, now let us look at the specific objectives that govern those questions. Now, these specific objectives, I believe 3 are from section 6 and the remainder is from section 7, right? Now, let us look what they are. Define terminologies associated with consumerism. Describe the information found on a food label. Explain the importance of reading and using food labels in food preparation. Interpret information on a food label. Observe stated guidelines for practicing good hygiene in food management. Explain the principles underlying the different methods of cooking foods, and also explain origins of simple world cuisines and their impact on Caribbean food habits, right? Now, section 6 of the syllabus, a little bit is in question 5 and a little bit is also in question 6, right? With section 7 as well. I hope you're following. All right, guys, now let us look at the ideal responses. So the first one here says, say 3 rules of personal hygiene and 3 rules of kitchen hygiene. Now remember that personal hygiene, you clean yourself, while kitchen hygiene, you clean the space. You have to remember that, because for instance, you're supposed to mention about personal hygiene and you give like a food hygiene or kitchen hygiene response, you're not gonna get the mark, guys, because personal is about you, the food handler, right? So let us look at 3 rules. 1. Wash hands thoroughly before handling food and after using the bathroom. Keep fingernails short, clean, and free from polish. 3. Wear clean clothing and cover hair with a cap or hair net. Right? So those are personal to you as the chef or the food handler. As it relates to kitchen hygiene rules, clean and sanitize all work surfaces before and after food preparation. Keep raw and cooked food separate to prevent cross-contamination. And 3, store food at the correct temperatures to prevent spoilage. All right, moving on to the next part. Dave has 20 minutes to prepare a Swiss roll for his class fair. Outline 3 reasons why whisking is the most suitable method for Dave to use, and this is worth 6 marks. So 1, quick incorporation of air. Whisking rapidly introduces air into the batter, helping the Swiss roll rise quickly and making it light and fluffy. Perfect for a short preparation time, okay? And 2, it's short baking time. Because whisked mixtures are airy and light, the cake bakes faster than heavier batters, allowing Dave to finish within 20 minutes. And 3, smooth, flexible Texture. Now, whisking produces a soft, elastic texture that prevents the Swiss roll from cracking when it is rolled up, which is essential for a neat and attractive appearance at the fair, right? Don't you agree? All right, so that is it for this part. Moving on. Explain 2 ways in which the Caribbean has been impacted by world cuisines, and this is worth 4 marks, right? So the first way, introduction of new ingredients and cooking methods. Now, world cuisines brought new ingredients like curry, spices, pastas, and techniques such as stir frying and baking, which are now widely used in the Caribbean, right? Another way is creation of fusion dishes. Now, the Caribbean developed fusion dishes by blending African, Indian, European, and Asian influencers, leading to unique foods like jerk chicken, curry goat, and even roti. Right now, there's one little thing I'd like you to do for me. Please head on over to my cooking channel, Tika's Kitchen. We're cooking up a storm over there, guys. Subscribe, share, and also comment as well. Right? And that is it, guys, for the review of 2024. This is question 6, right? The final question. And all the best. If you have any questions or comments or anything that you're not so clear on, you can always drop it down below in the comments section. All right, all the best, and you've got this.